guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a cozy clean with me. So it is a very rainy, dreary day, so I just wanted to get some things done around the house and just bring all the coziness your way to tidy something within your house or just give you some motivation to get something done. So if you are needing that type of inspiration in your life right now, you have definitely come to the right place, and I'm excited to take you guys along.
춤을 추네 너의 그림자는 You're so wondrous Want to know you more You're so marvelous Under the moonlit sky It's miraculous 빛이 맞닿은 순간 내게 빠져들어
So as you can see, today we started in the bedroom like always. So I just started by making my bed, and then we are just tidying up some laundry that I needed to get done. So if you watched my previous video, this is definitely the laundry that I never put up from taking out the dryer. So you gotta love that. But after wiping everything down, I'm just going to vacuum, and then we're going to make our way into the laundry room. So I just wanted to tidy up the laundry room today. It is pretty bad, and I wanted to go ahead and throw some laundry in the wash, take some laundry out the dryer, and so do all the things.
You're so marvelous under the moonlit sky. It's miraculous 빛이 맞닿은 순간 내게 빠져들어 손을 잡아 하늘을 누비는 상상의 발 우리의 그림자 포기해질 수 있을까 someday You're so wondrous I know the next morning when the sun goes up it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done.
So now we are in the living room. So I just want to straighten up the couch. Y'all, this couch is going to be the death of me. I cannot stand it when it just looks so wrinkly. I don't know. It definitely brings all the cozy vibes whenever you're sitting on it, but the look of it just drives me insane. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off this table as always because we eat here a ton, so that's why I'm always wiping this table. And we're going to also vacuum the carpet today, and then we'll make our way into the dining area.
Not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could.
up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone.
I hope this video is motivating you so far. A lot of the times on gloomy, rainy days, it definitely doesn't put me in the best mood just because I thrive so much with sunlight. But just try to find myself lots of glimpses of happiness within gloomy days, such as like lighting a candle, like I said, getting things done around the house. So just trying to do all the things that just give me those glimpses of happiness on a rainy day. So I hope this motivates you to get something done and just tidy those things off your list in the house if it's a rainy day where you are, and just take in all the cozy vibes.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
So in the last video, I shared with you guys that I was struggling on finding a cleaner that works really well. I know somebody suggested the all-purpose method cleaner. Definitely haven't tried that yet, but that is on my list to purchase. But I did, like I told you guys, I tried the Dawn soap, and water actually worked perfectly. So if you are struggling with a residue being left on your countertops after wiping them down, definitely try that hack. It worked great. hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope it inspires you to get something done today, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to inspire you to get something done within the house. If you are needing that type of inspiration in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here.
Trouble and strife, I will be right there, little light of my life. It's an old cliche, one everyone has heard, how it changes your life, that delivery bird. But what can I say? I've learned that it's true.
I definitely wanted to share one thing with you guys. I know a lot of times whenever you're coming on these cleaning motivation videos is usually to get some inspiration. I know they definitely help me whenever I find a great YouTube video online to get motivated to clean, but just know that you don't have to get everything done in one day. And a lot of the times that can get super overwhelming and you don't get anything done at all. So definitely start small. Start with one step meaning that if you need to just move your stuff from the wash to the dryer, check that off your list and say that's something that you completed. Give yourself some credit for getting the small things done. I know that they can multiply super quickly. So just take the day as is and just try to get a few things done throughout the house. It doesn't necessarily have to be, tidying the entire house. So I hope this video inspired you. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.